Alrighty, guys, what more can we ask for at this point? Palantir is pushing up another 4% in the midst of a red day. We're almost back at all-time highs, and this is after we got CPI data, which showed inflation is coming in hotter than expected. Inflation's actually increasing, guys, and Palantir is still moving up. Maybe it's because of what Dan Ives said on CNBC. We're going to cover that in this video. And of course, what I'm looking to do, the stock charts, everything that you need to know. But first, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. And guys, get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below. Fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. And once you fund it with at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, get on it. Use that link right down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers, get a sip of that water, guys. Stay hydrated, and let's dive into it. So at this point, you guys know why the market is selling off, right? The indexes, it's because of CPI. Inflation came in hotter than expected. We covered this in my video from earlier today. Make sure you guys go check it out. I'm pretty sure it was the SoFi video. Yeah, we covered CPI in that one. So yeah, that caused the markets to go down, right, as of now. But Palantir keeps on pushing up another 4%. We opened up at about $109, $110 per share today, and we ran all the way, to where we are now, which now we're at about 117. And this move was a 6% move, guys. And clearly, we went from almost falling through support here at about 109, 110 to now fully almost breaking out again. Let me actually get this channel tool out to show you guys how we're looking right now. So we have clear support at 109, 110, but at the same time, you guys can see resistance at about 117.18, pretty much right where we are now. So it's obvious, guys, buyers came in this morning here where they have over the last couple of days, and now we have we've officially filled the gap right back to 116.17, and this is the moment of truth for Palantir, at least in the short term, guys. Will we break through 118.19 and start going to all-time highs again, 120 plus, or will we get rejected here and start to come back down, let's say back towards 110? That's the waiting game we're playing right now, and by the looks of it, we're testing the top of the channel now. Buyers have come in big time. It looks like it wants to break out. I don't know about you guys, but that's what I'm seeing on the charts. And here on the 1 hour time frame, clearly we got buyers. They came in right above the 180 moving average. That's a good sign. That's a level we've held over the last couple of weeks, right? And on the 4 hour chart, very clear, we're still well above the 180 SMA, and we got buyers to come in under, or not under, but above the 50 SMA on this time frame, which is great. So PLTR looks strong here, guys, in my humble opinion. I mean, everybody sees that. I mean, it's not rocket science, right? And we had Dan Ives on CNBC. I'm pretty sure that was yesterday. So let's cover quickly what Ives said on CNBC, which I'm sure a lot of you already saw this, maybe not. Either way, we'll break it down right now. So you guys see the headline right here. It says, Dan Ives says Palantir could be next Oracle or Salesforce as AI boom drives massive software spending. And he highlights the 8 to 10x multiplier effect. And I'm pretty sure he said this before, that Palantir could get to the level of Oracle, of a Salesforce. He said that before, but let's come down here and read a little bit into it. And by the way, Wedbush, their analyst Dan Ives here, I'm pretty sure his price target was $90 before we had this, explosion to where we are now. And at that point, the stock was like $60, $70. Let's just say we hit 90. We blew right through that. And I'm not sure what his updated price target is. We'll see. But either way, Wedbush Securities analyst Dan Ives predicts Palantir could emerge as a dominant force in the AI software landscape, comparing it to industry giants Oracle and Salesforce. He said in a CNBC interview on Tuesday, he highlighted the multiplier effect of AI infrastructure spending, noting that for every dollar spent on NVIDIA chip, there's an $8 to $10 multiplier across tech, across the ecosystem software, right? He emphasized that this trend is particularly evident in companies like Palantir and Salesforce, right? And Dan Ives' bullish stance on Palantir comes amid the company's remarkable stock performance. And I mean, this is not new, his bullish stance. He's been bullish for as long as I can freaking remember, right, guys? And let's see here. The AI software firm recently reported earnings. Yeah. We heard about that already. Let's see what else. Ives pointed to Jevons paradox and economic theory, suggesting increased efficiency leads to higher demand as a key driver of AI software adoption. He also said this is the software age that's now starting to take place. And he said he predicted a massive spending wave in 2025, which of course could benefit companies like Palantir and of course other companies. So that's the word from Dan Ives. He thinks a lot of spending is coming down the pipeline. Massive spending wave in AI software, which I tend to agree with, no doubt. So, yeah, Palantir, man, keeps on moving. That's the news from Dan Ives. We're seeing a pop off 110, maintaining that support, and now we're pushing 115 to 18, which is a big resistance. But if we're able to take that out, we could be going, I know it sounds crazy, but we could be going even higher. So what do you guys think about that? Let me know your thoughts on Palantir in the comments. And full disclosure, I'm long this stock. I've owned it for a while now, and I'm up like almost 500%. So for me, guys, I'm not buying more shares here. I'm not selling. I'm just holding on. And of course, I'll keep you guys updated on that. You know, you'll get all the real-time updates on Patreon if you guys are on there or in there. That's linked down below. Feel free to go check it out. And if you haven't joined my email list yet, guys, it's free, and I send out my top stocks weekly. That is also linked down below. You guys got to get in there. So before we end off this video, let me run through some other stocks quickly that are moving right now. OKLO, what else is new? Up another 8.4%. Looks like buyers are coming in right above the 50. Yeah, the 50 SMA here on the 4-hour chart. We're getting a nice pop off that level. Now we're heading towards, it looks like, mid-high 50s again. Does this thing go 60s? It's possible. The chart looks really good on OKLO. Looks like AMC. I haven't even thought about AMC in a while, but AMC is moving up 6%. Their earnings are coming up here, I think, on the 25th, so that's less than 2 weeks. That's not next Tuesday, but the Tuesday after that. We're getting AMC's earnings. Intel's pushing up again, which you guys saw that yesterday. Looks like they're building off of the gains from not just yesterday, but from the last couple of days. As you know, JD Vance said, I'm pretty sure he wants to bring chip making back to the United States. That could benefit Intel, but I don't know if that's fully going to happen. I doubt it, quite frankly. But who knows? We'll see. And make sure you guys subscribe for my other videos. We're going to break down a bunch more here on the channel. So make sure to subscribe and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1%. APY. So, guys, get on it. Use that link right down below or go to stasurfs.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.